is okay.
After a lot of hard work, finally we have connected.
Yes. So we start the session. Okay. So firstly, I would like to know about yourself. What are you doing like?
Do you want to know about myself? It's
Yes.
introduction.
Yes. Yes.
So first of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Speak little bit loud because we don't use any headphones. After recording, our voice is break down. Okay. Speak a little loud.
First of all, thank you so much for giving me this chance to introduce myself. My name is Sandhya Vishwakarma and I am from Banaras. And currently I am working in an electronic company as an electronic engineer. And apart from this, I am working on my communication skills because I want to get better job in my future. That's why.
That's great. And you are coming from Banaras. I think.
So would you like to introduce about yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Pratyush Sharma and I'm from Fatehpur. Now I'm studying graduation and I have completed my 12th in 2025 from UP board and now I'm studying and now I'm preparing for government exam and I'm also improving my English speaking skills.
Okay, nice.
So what do you know Fatehpur? Fatehpur, do you know? Fatehpur.
Fatehpur.
Yes.
I've heard about this, but I never visited there.
So I think Banaras is very holy place.
Yeah.
So where do you live in Banaras?
I live in a village area, Sarari, named Sarari.
What?
I live in a village area named Sarari.
Sarari.
Sarari, yes.
Sarari. Okay. I don't know. So I think your English is better than me. So how do you prepare your English? And
My English is better than you. You're saying.
I think this is better.
I'm just working.
You are working so.
I'm trying to improve myself day by day.
So have you been learning English?
How have I been learning English?
Have you been learning? How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning this language for 2 years, but I skipped a lot in the middle.
You are not properly.
Yes. In 2026, I'm continuing doing this.
Okay. So you. So I think I have one question. Suppose one person is only beginner and he don't know how to speak English. So where we start? Where from start? He started to speak.
Where should they start?
Yes. How he began to start speaking?
Okay, so I will tell you about my own experience, how I started this journey.
Yes, you can say experience.
So when I first started, I focused a lot on grammar. Like I used to watch so many videos on YouTube. I want to tell about that YouTube channel, English Connection and Motion English Academy. There are so many YouTube channels. So when I started, I used to watch so many like complex grammar rules.
Yes.
But after 2 to 3 months, I have realized that if I want to speak fluently in this language, I have to skip this. I need to I need to speak regularly.
More and more practice.
Yes.
So what do you think? Grammar is important for speaking or not?
Yes, it's important, but speaking is also important. Not a lot of complex rules you need to know. You can speak this language only by knowing some simple basic rules.
So I think this is grammar is not too much important.
Yes.
But most of the teachers said firstly you teach grammar, you study grammar, then you have to speak, then you should speak.
I'm not saying that it's not totally important. It's important.
It's important.
Like if you think about native speakers, that they don't learn any kind of grammar rules, but still they are so good.
They have too much practice on that language. That's why
And
they
they
are
have
speaking
English
fluently.
environment also. If we will have English environment, then we
Environment
can
also
also
depend on
speak
speaking.
without.
But I think if a person who comes in village and is in like Hindi medium school, so I think he should too much practice for speaking. They have not any environment to speaking. And I'm also from Hindi medium and village area. I'm also speaking just because of practice. I do more
Do you
and more.
focus on grammar?
Yes.
Do you focus on grammar?
before starting days I focus on grammar, but coming days
Yes, in the starting days when I started this,
Yes.
at that time I used to focus, but now I skip it.
I
I'm
think
just
English is
speaking regularly.
I think English is speaking based on your feelings, like you feel when you speak. Like I'm speaking, so I don't think any grammar rules. When I'm speaking, I don't think any grammar rules, any grammatical mistake. Whatever comes in my mind, I just speak.
Yes.
That is the way of speaking, I think. So, have you do any course like from Polytechnic, ITI? Because you are working in a electronics company, so you have any diploma?
Yes, I have done diploma. I skipped this in my introduction. I think like I have skipped so many things in my introduction. I don't feel
Okay, you can introduce me again in detail.
Actually I have never done so many conversation on video call. This is my I can say 2 or 3 conversation. That's it. That's why I'm feeling nervous.
Before this conversation, you also do.
I have been learning this language for 2 years, but I have never done conversation on video call with someone.
So this is your first year, third year, fourth.
I cannot say that this is first conversation. Earlier I used to do, but I skipped this for a very long time.
So why this is not good? I think this is good because in this conversation you meet the
Yes.
real
Now
speakers.
I have decided that I will talk with some strangers regularly if I want to build my confidence, because I don't have confidence. I cannot speak in front of anyone. Now I am realizing that I am skipping in these things in my journey.
No, I think this is a fear to speak in front of someone. But before my days, I speak directly. Pooja Thakur, do you hear the name? Pooja, I think like that now. So he is a great speaker. He has a YouTube channel on video. He has a video on YouTube channel. And when I started to speak, when I started to conversation, I don't know nothing. I am I don't know. I am also a beginner, so I feel very nervous that time. And it is
Earlier I used to do, but just because of my confidence, I skip this. I used to feel so nervous in front of people. That's why.
so how become you public speaker?
Now I'm just thinking that I will do. It doesn't matter. I will feel nervous. I'm confident. It doesn't matter for me. I will have to fight this. If I will,
Yes,
if I will
yes,
have some mistakes, so how can I remove this problem?
Yes, and you don't think about any confident about judgment of people. They are also like us. And I'm speaking and you are speaking. We are like same. And if I also lack of confidence, so how can I say you? That's for a conversation.
Yes. So, is this your first conversation, or you have already done so?
I think this is my sixth conversation.
Fifth or sixth?
Yes. And I like to conversation with foreigners.
Foreigners.
Foreigners, yes. And I want to know that I want to know about that country, and I want to know about that tradition.
Earlier I used to use an application named Student where you can connect with like foreigner.
But they are
So I
not.
used to connect.
They are not good. I also try so much app, but I think I don't found good conversation.
I've done a conversation with a girl who is from Indonesia on that application. Okay. So just because of this recording issue, then I skipped.
So this app is really good or not? What do you think about this? What is the feedback of?
Is that I cannot say it was good or not, because only one conversation I've done on that.
Use
I
and
got
this,
so many opportunities in my college, like group discussion, presentation. I skipped everything.
And-
Now I'm realizing that I did so many wrong at that time.
yes. And after fluent in speaking, you get too much opportunities in your future. And English language is also an international language.
So, do you regularly upload videos on your channel?
No. I skip 3-5 days because when I upload, so I think I give the good content on my viewers. That's why I'm not upload regular, because when we upload 3 or 2 days speak, so when we create the content, after that we upload, and regularly we upload, so whatever comes that upload. That's why I'm not regular videos.
But I upload regularly.
This is your challenge, 30 days challenge. Yes, yes. So this is
I've already completed that. Right now, I'm just uploading regularly. Because you know what is the benefit of 30 days challenge? I can maintain consistency.
consistency. Yes, yes.
And earlier, I used to skip a lot when I was not uploading videos. When I started to upload videos on my channel, now I'm consistent and I'm doing my practice regularly by doing this method.
Okay. So, I give me some tips how we strong our speaking.
How?
Give me some tips. Okay, how I can strong my speaking, because I don't think my speaking is good. I try my best. Give me some tips.
How can you strong your speaking?
Yes, yes.
Let me think about this first.
Suppose I'm beginner also and I don't know how to speak. So what do you say? Like you are a teacher, I'm a student.
Okay. I will suggest you that. Let me think firstly, then I will suggest you. Okay. So, like you are beginner and I am a teacher.
Yes. So how you treat me?
There are so many learners on my YouTube channel. They always ask me, ma'am, how can I improve my English?
Yes.
I think in my mind, firstly, I need to improve myself, then I will suggest you something.
No, you are also learner. When you are more practice. You have more practice and you are too much confident to speak, and you know the knowledge of speaking.
Whenever someone texts me that, ma'am, suggest me something, how can I improve my English? I am at a beginner level. So I always say to them that start from, not directly speaking, if you are at a beginner, so start from like cartoon videos. You should watch regularly.
Yes, yes. So we start from the cartoons videos.